Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Phonics with Mrs. Justice this week. We're going to be talking about the oi sound, like in the word boy and toy. And so right now we have a cute little song about that oi sound. Let's give it a listen. All right, boys and girls. I hope you liked that song as much as I did. Let me turn this volume back down a little. There we go. All right, so now we're going to have to practice reading some of the words and saying words with the oi sound, like in the word toy. This is a picture of a toy right here. Listen as I say that again. Oi, toy. The vowel sound in words with the oi sound are not long or short vowels. It's not R controlled like R, that pirate one we learned. It's a different vowel sound, oi, like in toy, coin, oil, boy. And here's coin and boy again. Now, if you look at these words, you might notice a pattern. You might notice that the OI in coin is at how it's spelled in the middle of a word. So if you hear the oi sound in the middle of a word, you're usually going to write an O and an I for that sound. Now let's look at the word boy. Boy. If you hear the oi sound at the boy, you will hear the oi sound at the end of the word, and then we'll spell it with OY. So we have OI in the middle. OY is how we spell it at the end of a word. Let's take a look at some more words. I'm going to write the word and you tell me how to spell it. Ready? Toy, toy, oi. Ooh, that's at the end of the word. There's no more sound, so it's at the end. So that's going to be an O-Y. I hope you agreed with me. Next one we're going to do is soil. Soil. Oil. Oi. Ooh, that's in the middle, so it's going to be an O, and then which letter? Oh, yeah, O-I. Soil. Soil. There we go. That's 2 words that we've learned how to spell and to read. All right, let's take a look. We've got oi. Yep, there's O-Y at the end saying the oi sound. We have the word join, join. We have O-I in the middle. Yep, that makes sense. That agrees with our rule. B-oil, b-oil. Oh, O-I in the middle. Yep, that makes our rule. Let's try the last one. B-oy, boy. Yep, O-Y there at the end. All right, let's keep it going. Where'd my things go? All right, let's write some new words. The word is point. Point. Oi. Nt. What would it be in the middle? O, an O, and an I. Point. Nt. Let me fix that dot there. There we go. Point. Uh-oh. I really messed it up, boys. There we go. Boys and girls. All right, next word that we're going to do is the word joy. Joy. Seeing the sunny day makes me feel joy. J, which is a J. Oi. And what 2 sounds make that? What 2 letters make that sound at the end of a word? O-Y. Very good. Joy. All right, now we have a fun game. I'm going to say a word, and we're going to make tally marks and figure out which is the winner. Are we going to find more O-I words today or O-Y words today with the oi sound? So let's take a look. Joy, that word we just wrote, oi. Oh, that was an O-Y word, wasn't it? And then we had coin, coin. That one we just wrote, that had the O-I in it. Let's try another word. Toy, toy. Well, that's at the end of the word, so that had the O-Y. How about boy, boy? Hey, toy, boy. They rhyme, and they're both going to have that O-Y ending. All right, how about the next one? Ploy, which is like a plan. Ploy. Oh, that's at the end too, so that would be an O-Y. We seem to have a lot of O-Y words here. I wonder if there's some other words. Maybe join, join. Oh, that's in the middle, so that would be an O-I. There we go. How about noise? Noise, noise. Oh, that's in the middle. It's going to be an O-I. And how about boil? Boil. Oh, that's going to be in the middle too because it has the O-I in the middle. And we're going to do one more. The word is point. Point. Oh, we did point. How about cloy? Cloy. That's at the end, so it's going to go over here. And that's all our words for today. So which one won? Yeah, the O-Y one for today. Very good. All right, let's keep going and review some of our sounds real quick. These are our blend sounds. Bl, cl, fl, gl, pl, sl, br, cr, dr, fr, gr, pr, tr. All right, this is a boy. We all know that. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word boy? What would that initial sound be? Boy. I hear a B, and it's going to go that way when we write it. Let's go over a few more blends that we have here. Sk, sk, sl, sm, sn, sp, st, sw. Now some ending ones. Sk, sp, st, nd, ng, nt, nk. All right, we're almost at the end of our lesson today. This is not a dollar bill. This is a coin. Coin. What diphthong do you hear in the middle of the word? I heard the oi sound, and it's in the middle, so we're going to write O-I. Those are the 2 letters that make that oi sound in the middle of a word. All right, let's go over some more blends. We have scr, spl, spr, squ, and str. And we have some more digraphs. K, ch, sh, And then this is baby oil. What sound do you hear at the end of the word oil? Yep, we have O-I, spelling that oi sound. And then at the end, we have L, oil. Very good. All right, one more word. This word is boy. Say boy with me. Boy. If we change the O-Y sound, oi, to ow, we get a new word. We now have, and the B comes down, so we have b, ow, bow. We are done with our lesson for today, and I'd love for you to take a bow because you have worked so hard on learning the oi sounds. I can't wait to come back and work with you tomorrow, boys and girls. Well, you're going to need to have a pen and a paper and be ready to do some writing. I'll see you then. Bye.